I've been doing the hair rejuvenation treatment at Glojas. It's a 3-step treatment where they rejuvenate my hair. They actually take care of the scalp as well as the hair itself. The treatment really helped because not only did the treatment I did help, but also I've been taking the supplements as well as the shampoo that I've been using by Dr. Jasji. So I think everything, when it comes together, I think everything accumulates to what the product is right now, and that is more luscious hair, obviously more volume in my hair, and even when I do straighten my hair or when I do curl my hair, I can tell a difference between the shininess, I would say, in my locks, and also, of course, the volume.
Now we are doing the next step is to do deep cleansing of the scalp. This is the ozone therapy inside. Inside here, there is an oxygen and one more additional molecule in the oxygen. It's called O3. It kills the bacteria, any fungal. So this is very important. Normally we keep this about 10-20 minutes.